It is now 10 o'clock and they've gone. So is that them down there? Way down there? I don't know, but they were at ship's stern around here and I was watching them, and then I went to get a bite to eat for breakfast and come back, half an hour, 45 minutes later, and they've gone. So the birds, I sort of noticed the birds must have thermals right here, because all the birds were up there circling. It was really amazing to watch. So I was making my toast, watching the birds circling, and I wasn't sort of focusing on the craft. I was focusing on the birds and how beautiful they looked up there, and how I'd love to be free like a bird up there. But then there's what's that? In between ship's stern and behind, there's like this white thing. A big white thing with black slashes in it. If you weren't looking, you would not even see it, because it's blending in so well. It is camouflaging so well with everything. So it's right in that area there, and it's starting to get bigger. It's spreading. So either it was something parked there, which is now moved out. Yeah, that's weird as. And as you can see, it's not anywhere else. It's just in that area there. Over here, that's what I'm saying, you've got to look at what's different, what stands out. That's your marker for everything. What stands out different. Well, the wind's picked up again, so maybe that is them moving. Maybe a byproduct of when they move, it becomes really windy. I don't know. Yeah, they moved sort of way back from the environment there, from the ridge. Yeah, it's still there. Whatever it is, it's big. I think underneath that, is that like that macrame sort of mesh thing that they use? Like, so I'm just trying to put my glasses down. Is that what that is? Sort of becomes like a macrame, like a net. Is that to stop the people from around or from underneath to see? I don't know. It's like it's spreading, it's growing. It's going more to the right now. So it's at ship's stern. It's gone past ship's stern now. At a quick glance, you wouldn't even see it. And on the ground, definitely you would not see it. So I can barely see it from here. Will it get past ship's stern to the other part? Might focus here. Will it or won't it? I hope it doesn't, because if it does, it's like a fungus. It spreads and multiplies within itself. Self-propagating fungus in the sky. I don't know what the hell it is. See all the birds are all out having a great time. There he is, floating, flying, catching a thermal. Oh, go for it, birdie. How free. Amazing. The only thing I wouldn't want to be a bird is that if you come down to land, you get something to eat and some mangy dog or cat gets you and you go, oh no, I shouldn't have touched your face, I should have stayed up in the sky. Oh, you know, you've got to be very, very careful and guarded, and that would worry me. I'd come down at the wrong time and get picked off. But yeah. It's becoming really hard to see now, so I'm going to finish this because it's sort of really starting to blend in with the background. But that's the whole thing, isn't it? The whole, you know, deceit thing, you know, hiding in plain sight, camouflage. They have the technology to do all that stuff. You know, like if they can have this huge thing, you know, literally, you know, a couple of 100 meters off the ground, this massive thing that has no sound, doesn't give any indication, if it doesn't turn on its engine, so there's no static, that it's there, and it just hovers there, and then it can move without anybody knowing that it's there. You know, so that is some amazing technology. Whoever or whatever it is that does that, it's amazing. But yeah, and you're not even aware it's there. So, you know, to do all of this, to them it's just like we would turn the light switch on, or turn the heating on. It's just second nature to them. Maybe they don't even have to flip a switch. Yeah, so there go the birds again. Oh God. Oh my God. He went and landed on the roof above me. I thought he was going to land on me. Oh, there he is up there again. Where are you, birdie? Where are you? I don't even know where I'm looking anymore. Oh, that freaked me out. I thought he was going to land on me. Oh my God. Oh, so there's friggin' a hotbed or something around here. I have no idea. Yeah, I thought he was going to land on me, and I thought I'll probably drop my camera. I don't know what I'll do. I'll get freaked out. I was joking yesterday with Alfred Hitchcock with the birds. I'll be running down the street and people going, oh, look at the crazy looking lady running, and the birds are chasing her, picking her eyes. So she can't see. Oh, there he is again. He's over there. There they go. There they go. Over there somewhere. Oh, they're scaring me out. They're freaking me out. Oh my goodness. Maybe they're telling me to shut up. I'm interrupting their morning feeding of the babies. So, shh, the kids are asleep. Go away. You're waking the kids up. Yeah, they're having a nice time. Well, anyway, I've been freaked out enough by the birds. It's nice to be freaked out by something that's natural, that is part of nature, that is meant to be here. All the other things that freak me out that are not meant to be here, you know, freak me out even more than what they should freak me out. But yeah, so that thing has pretty much become blurred and you know, obscured with the background, so I can't even see where it starts or where it ends. I very, very barely can see it. So yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye, and yeah, hope you all have a good laugh at me getting freaked out. At least I can, you know, I can turn into a comedy show, because yeah, that's how I feel at the moment. I feel that life's a big circus. Look at the lineage of a line, you know, in between the upper and the darker. Yeah. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye.